Sheena Cooking Moments.
Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. May pag-asa nga ba? Delete na baka ang puso ko'y matabigan. Nahiwagan sa lamig, kung ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay na pag-ibig.
Pawis na ako yung mask ko,
Bilis ng pag-ibig. Ayaw kong maniwala, pero sa iyong suyak, mga batay na mungusap.
ko kayang magpanggap.
May pag-asa nga ba? Bakit papasikot-sikot para ba pinapaikot-ikot talaga? Mag-isa na ba talaga ang next move mo? Gusto ko lang naman malaman, ano ba ang katotohanan? Better say it now, it's not too late. I'm ready, pag-asa nga ba? Ano bang sasabihin? Ano naman gawin? Salamin na salamin. Tila mabilis na matapos ang segundo't minuto. Tumikay nasa tabi ko. Basta dyan ka lang, wala nang kailangan. Gumagalaw ang lahat. Basta dyan ka tayo. So yeah, and I sleep, I must be dreaming. It feels so good, I can't believe this will be. Cause I get simple ang mga hinahingang may mahal at mahalin na iyong pagbabang sikat. What's the forward to step nakakapal naman cha-cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, 4 ayoko nang makipaglaro. 5, 6, 7, 8 bye-bye! Huwag ka susuko, magpatalo, huminga na taas noo. Nandito lang ako. Hindi ka magpahinga. Huwag ka susuko, nandito lang ako.
And then put it on the fry. We put it to the fry option because we're gonna fry the hot dog. We're not gonna boil it. We are not healthy. So I get 2. I'm gonna get ilang hot dog? Isa lang, no? Pag isa lang? Or dalawa? Ilang bubbles? Dalawa. Isa kayo. Oh my God! Nakalimutan ko magsaing! Okay? We flip it. Oh my God! It's burned! Why is it burned? It's fine. I like my hot dog black. I like it when it's not fully burned. It's totally burned. My God, baka magtunog yung ano dito, smoke. Hala! Ano pala ako ng kanton? Hala! Oh my God, guys. Black na, guys. Uy! Don't talk ha when your mouth is full. I'm not joking. It's burn, baby, burn. Just cooking my burnt hot dog. Nagalit si Ate Kulay. And then you split it into two. And then, okay, we flip it. Oh my God, it's burned! Why is it burned? It's fine. I like my hot dog black. I like it when it's not fully burned. It's totally burned. Oh my God, baka magtunog yung ano dito, smoke. Hala! 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 Ano pala ako ng kanton? Hala! Oh my God, guys. Black na, guys. Uy! Ano? Hinaan ko. Don't talk ha when your mouth is full. Guys, look. I'm not joking. It's burn, baby, burn. Just cooking my burnt hot dog. Nagalit si Ate Kulay.
Sheena cooking normal until.
Hi guys! I'm here in my kitchen kasi this is my redemption time. I need to redeem myself kasi if you guys remember, nagluto ako ng hotdog noon and it was not burnt. It was totally burnt. Feeling ko ngayon na nag-mature na ako, I grew up, tumatanda na ako. I feel like this is the perfect time to cook Sheena's Hotdog 2.0 version. I'm gonna be cooking CDO Idol Cheese Dog and hotdog! Wow! Now let's start and make my perfect hotdog with CDO. I have here my hotdogs. I already cut them para hanggang loob pinuto. My lesson learned, kailangan mo nang painitin yung pan. That's low heat. Okay? And I think now we can put our hot dogs. So marami akong lulutuin because I'm hungry. Compared to before, super mas madali na lang talagang magluto ng hotdog with CDO, cheese dog, and hotdog. Grabe talaga yung luto ng hotdog ko noon. Like, ang nalasahan ko sunog. Actually, I want my hotdogs toasted. So, yun talaga yung goal ko before. Kaya medyo pinapatagalan ko. Like, gusto ko kasi toasted, ganyan-ganyan. Pag flip ko, toasted siya pero maximum level. Oh my gosh, sobrang galing ko, naiiyak ako. Okay guys, now I'm done cooking the hot dogs. Pero wait, dahil blooms kayo, syempre special kayo. So hindi na siya kung anong plating. Nailalagay ko lang sa plato. No! So, sobrang perfect niya. Natubuan na siya ng bulaklak. Now, it's your turn! Let's see your CDO Idol Cheese Dog and Hot Dog creations and post them with the hashtag #IdolXBini. And let's see kung gaano kayo ka-creative blooms! Grabe niya, ma'am. Perfect talaga siya.